Hey there. So this is a project that we built for the Buildathon. What we are doing, we are asking the users to upload their documents or give some textual context. They even can upload some URLs, and from that, the AI will automatically get the data and transform into contents for multiple social media accounts. So this is the landing page of the website. This is how you will be seeing. Okay, and these are some animations that we created using framework motion in React.js. By the way, the complete website is created using NextJS for the front end, and we used Django in Python for the for the backend. Okay, and the database we are using is PostgreSQL over here. Sign in now. It will here. What is happening? We are using NextAuth for the authentication system along with JWT tokens to map the uses of the users. Okay, and whenever I click on this sign in button or the register button, it will automatically go under the middleware they created in the front end. So it will automatically check uh, if the user is already logged in somewhere or not. Then it will return the response, and based on the response, it will uh, give you the access. So these are the contents that I already created till now. Okay, I generated these contents till now. Okay, and I'll show you from the very beginning how it is happening. I'll go on the content lab. This is the main page. Over here, you can see we have this upload content section. Here you can upload PDF, docx, PPT, and TXT files as or you may paste some textual contents over here, or if you have any website URL such as blog or any other web page, then you can paste it over here. I'll show you one by one how you will be doing all this. So uh, you might also see like we are also asking you to upload up to 4 images, but for now we are out of tokens for image editing. So I'll explain you what happens when you upload the images. For now, I'll just upload a simple PDF over here. Yes, this is a PDF. Okay, like I have a PDF called Forward Learning Workbook, and I'll simply click on Generate Content for all platforms. So here, what happens is uh, the request will be pushed to the backend server, and the backend will automatically initialize query workers using the Redis server. And for each of these tabs, like for LinkedIn, for Twitter, for YouTube, blog, email, images, it will initialize a new job. Okay, and using the AI, we are integrating OpenAI over here, basically GPT-4 model, and using that, we'll be generating the whole content for you the response here. So it gave you the response over here. You can see it automatically analyze the complete PDF file, and based on the analysis, will give you this content. Now you will ask like, hey Pranay, how are you getting this sort of output? So basically, what we are doing, we are analyzing the trends, okay, for each platform, like the top most or any other content that are making some good impressions on these particular websites. Okay, not blog. We are basically targeting LinkedIn and Twitter over here, and YouTube. It somewhat analyzes how people are presenting their ideas in a scripted format. So based on the trend analysis, it will automatically generate this thing. And there is a fun fact in this. I'll explain you what is that. So I'll show you the output first. This is the LinkedIn output, and this is the Twitter output. It will automatically create multiple threads. Okay, and in the YouTube section, you can find this thing. It will automatically generate the whole script for the video along with the title, as you can see over here, and the description for the video. Okay, so it will automatically suggest you, like here you can give some sound effects, okay, and the complete thing, then again sound effects, some visual effects, etc., etc. So based on the complete analysis of the trend, it will automatically suggest you to edit the videos or like the content that you should cover in the video. Okay. Next, this is the blog thing. If you are already into some blogging websites, such as blog post or some other website, maybe. Okay. So you can use this thing, this part of this tool, through which it will automatically generate the whole content for your blog, and from here you can copy the HTML file, like HTML content. Means this thing is written in h1 tag, so it will automatically place this content in an h1 tag, okay, and then this thing in some other tag, okay, and this thing in some other tag, and for this it will automatically give you the bold tag. So it will cover all those things, or you may even copy the text individually. Now for the email part, we have same, it will generate the email. For example, if you are writing some newsletters, okay, regularly, so you might be posting multiple newsletters to your followers or the people whom you are connected with on the email parts. So you can copy the HTML as well as you can copy the plain text. Okay, you have the options for both of them. Okay, you can even copy the subject line, that is unlock your future, forward learning experience awaits. This whole part is generated by the AI. Okay, discover the transformative journey of McKinsey forward programs, and etc., etc. So based on the complete analysis of the trend and analyzing the content that you have given, it will automatically generate the industry level ready contents. Okay, now for the next part I'll show you this thing. See what is happening over here. We are connecting these accounts. Okay, you might have your own personal accounts on LinkedIn and Twitter. So using the OAuth system, we are simply getting the access of the account. This is completely encrypted, so your data will not be shared anywhere. So when you are connecting your accounts, you will be able to directly post on that particular platform. Okay, you may even schedule the task. Okay, and I'll show you how it is happening. So for the LinkedIn, you can connect your account, and for the Twitter as well, you can connect the account. Okay, and next, this is the analytics part. This part is not working because when see the complete data that we should get on this page should come from these two platforms. As we are not running this complete website on a particular server, so we don't have any fixed IP address. We are running this locally on our machine, so we don't have any fallback endpoint where we'll receive the data from LinkedIn and Twitter. So based on that, the user is not getting authenticated on this for this particular page. So because of that, we are not able to get the data. We are not able to extract the data of the user's profile. So once we push, once we host our website on some particular server, then we'll go with the optimization part, and this complete section will start running, and it will give you the complete analysis of how many impressions you got, okay, till now, and the average engagement, okay, like what is the engagement on a post, and the content that you have posted on those two websites, those two platforms. Now the total likes count and the total comments, etc., etc. Then it will give you the performance analysis report, okay, in this section, and your activity during the last 30 days. Okay, so once we are connected to the platform, this page will start working. Next, this is the settings page. Now usually what happens, if you're generating some content using the AI, it will follow the same thing, the same tone and same expression, each and everything. But now this part is very crucial for the content generation, because we are creating our own identity, brand identity. I'm writing the brand name. Okay, what is the brand name? And the targeted audience. The audience that I'm targeting, that is the tech enthusiast and students. Next, that is the brand voice, system prompt, basically. Okay, so what I gave, yeah, it is already suggesting you like pro tech, like professional yet conversational, or authoritative but humble, etc., etc. So based on this configuration, like your targeted audience, okay, and your brand voice, okay, how you want the AI to speak. So based on your personal style of writing the content, you can give the complete prompt to the AI. Okay, you can save the prompt in this particular tool. So based on this particular configuration, it will automatically generate the contents. Okay, now we'll come to this overview part. That is this. Over here, you can see we have total content, that is 10. Okay, success rate that is 100%. So each and every file that we have extracted till now, used till now, is working perfectly. Okay, now I'll show you the preview. This on this page you can see the preview. Click over here. As you can see, we have this preview section. Okay, for this LinkedIn, Twitter. So as I've generated the content previously, I can find same content over here. Okay, I have this post to Twitter button, copy, download. Okay, and this YouTube also. I can from here I can copy the script or download the script as well. Okay, and this blog. Okay, I can scroll down and I can go through each and every part of this, and I can copy the HTML or copy the text or even download it. This part, once I click on this, it will automatically show a pop-up. Okay, for the LinkedIn. But this thing, this pop-up is not working right now. Like this function is not working. As I said, we don't have any fallback functions, callback IP address. So the user is not getting authenticated. So based on that, we are not able to access the platform, this feature. For the same goes for the Twitter. Okay, once we have that IP address, fixed IP address for the server, we can get the users authentication on these two platforms. Then these functions will start working. This is the complete uh, overview of our project, and I have shown you all the functions that we are covering in this. So basically what it is, when you are feeding some content to this, okay, then it will automatically analyze the content that you have given, and based on the trends that is going through the market, into the market, okay, it will generate the content based on your tone, okay, that you have saved over here. So that's it. Thank you.